In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the basics of AliExpress, a bustling online marketplace that's a favorite for shoppers seeking a wide range of products at competitive prices. Whether you're a savvy shopper or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use AliExpress can elevate your online shopping experience. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the AliExpress website. This popular platform is similar to other e-commerce sites you might be familiar with, such as Amazon or eBay, but with a unique twist of offering products primarily from Chinese manufacturers. It's known for everything from trendy gadgets and clothing to unique homeware and beyond. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a colorful and busy interface showcasing a multitude of categories and deals. If this is your first time visiting AliExpress, you'll notice a bright, welcoming banner at the top of the page labeled Welcome Deal, specifically designed for new users. This presents a wonderful opportunity to snag some great offers exclusive to newcomers, so be sure to give it a click. These deals often include significant discounts or special promotions on a variety of products. It's an excellent way to start your AliExpress journey. While exploring, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the easy-to-navigate categories and search features. AliExpress provides a straightforward search bar at the top where you can enter keywords for what you're looking for. You can also browse through categories ranging from electronics to fashion, health and beauty, automobiles, and more, ensuring you'll be able to find just about anything you need. Now let me share a quick tip. Pay attention to product reviews and ratings. Since products are sourced from numerous sellers, checking reviews can help ensure you're purchasing high-quality items. Many buyers share photos and detailed feedback, which can be crucial in making informed decisions. Another feature to explore is the Flash Deals section, often spotlighted on the homepage. Flash deals are time-sensitive offers that provide significant discounts on select items, but act fast. These deals are only available for a limited time, and products can sell out quickly due to high demand. As you become more familiar with AliExpress, you'll likely want to take advantage of the wishlist feature. Adding items to your wishlist can help you keep track of products you're interested in, and you'll be notified of any price drops or promotions for these items, which is a smart way to plan future purchases. And there you have it. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to becoming an AliExpress pro. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate through the site and enjoy finding all sorts of products at incredible prices. Happy shopping, and thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more great tutorials.